Welcome to Useful Words. Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. In this video, we're going to share the law of ability, how to achieve anything you want in life. Luck is when preparedness meets opportunity. The greater your ability in any area, the more luck you will experience in that area. It's not enough to be in the right place at the right time. You must be the right person in the right place at the right time. Brian Tracy. The law of ability states that the greater your ability in any area, the more luck you will experience. In other words, it's not just about talent or opportunity. It's about taking action and making things happen. The ability to achieve anything you want in life comes down to taking consistent, focused action towards your goal. The more ability you have in a certain area, the easier it will be to take the necessary action and achieve your desired result. The law of ability is a powerful reminder that we all are capable of achieving great things if we are willing to put in the work. We all want to be successful. We want to achieve our goals, and we want to feel like we are making a difference in the world. But sometimes it can feel like we're swimming upstream against the current. It's hard to know where to start or how to make things happen. The law of ability is here to help. But it's not as simple as just wanting it bad enough. You need to put in the work and develop the skills required to achieve your goals. The more skilled you are, the more likely you are to succeed. The greater your ability, the better your odds of achieving your goals. The law of ability is based on the principles of cause and effect. Your actions determine your results. If you want to achieve something, you must take action and develop the necessary skills. The law of ability is a powerful tool for success. And by increasing your skills and abilities, you can increase your chances of achieving anything you want in life. The more proficient you are, the more likely you are to be noticed and given opportunities to showcase your skills. Therefore, if you want to achieve anything in life, it's essential to develop your abilities. What is the law of ability, and how can it help you? What is the law of ability? The law of ability is a law that states that you are only limited by the amount of ability that you have. This means that no matter what your age, race, gender, or socio-economical status may be, you have the potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. With the law of ability on your side, there is no limit to what you can accomplish. So how can you put this law to work for you? Here's some tips on how it can help. Number 1, acknowledge what you want. The first step is to identify what you want, be specific about what you want, and write it down. This will help you clarify your goals and increase your chances of achieving them. Number 2, visualize what you want. Once you know what you want, start visualizing it. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and living your dream life. See yourself surrounded by abundance and visualize yourself as being wealthy, healthy, and happy. Number 3, take action. In order to achieve your goals, you need to take action. You can't just sit around and wait for things to happen. You need to make things happen. Find a mentor. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and accountability as you strive to achieve your goals. Joining a master class or a group A master group is a group of like-minded individuals who support each other in achieving their goals. Attending workshops and seminars helps as well. Workshops and seminars can provide valuable information and inspiration as you work towards your goals. Be persistent. Being persistent in pursuing your goals, even when obstacles arise. Don't let setbacks discourage you. View them as learning opportunities. Remember that success is a journey, not a destination. And every step forward brings you closer to achieving your goals. The law of ability is the belief that you will be successful if you put in the effort. And this means that if you want something, and if you want to achieve anything, you need to take action and you need to put in the hard work. Let me say it again. You need to take action and you need to put in the hard work. While this may seem like common sense, it is actually a powerful way of thinking that can help you achieve your goals. And one of the best things about the law of ability is that it applies to everyone. No matter what your background or circumstances, if you're willing to work hard, you can be successful. In fact, many people who have achieved great things started with very little. The law of ability is also a great motivator. When you know that success is within your reach, if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be a powerful motivator to keep you going, even when things are tough. So if you're looking for ways to achieve your goals, remember the law of ability and start taking action today. How to use the law of ability to get what you want. What do you want? You may have everything you need, but what's missing? What if you can use the law of ability to get anything and everything you ever wanted? It's not as difficult as it sounds. You may have a lot of things on your wish list, big and small. But what's really stopping you from getting them? Maybe it's the assumption that you can't have them. That's where the law of ability comes in. It's all about using what you have to get what you want. What if I told you that you could have anything you want in life? You probably think I was crazy, right? But what if I told you that there was a scientific basis for this statement? According to the law of ability, we can have whatever we want in life as long as we are able to conceive it and believe it. In other words, our thoughts and our emotions play a critical role in our abilities to manifest our desires. So how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? The law of ability is the basic principle that states that the more competent you are at something, the more likely you are to succeed. This simple truth can be applied to any area of your life. Whether you're trying to get a promotion at work or to improve your score in a competitive video game, in order to use the law of ability to your advantage, it's important to focus on becoming as skilled and knowledgeable as possible. Here are some more tips on how to keep getting better. Number 1, set realistic goals for yourself and break them down into small, manageable steps. Number 2, find a mentor or role model who can help you develop the skills you need to reach your goals. Number 3, make a commitment to lifelong learning by taking classes, reading books, and practicing regularly. Number 4, be patient. Don't strive for perfection. Instead, focus on making continual progress. And number 5, get feedback from others and use it to improve your performance. By following these tips, you can start using the law of ability to achieve success in any area of your life. Remember, the key is to focus on becoming as competent as possible. With enough practice and dedication, anything is possible. The law of ability is simple. The more able you are, the more likely you are to achieve what you want. But what does it mean to be able? Here are 3 tips to help you get better and achieve your goals. Set realistic goals. Now, if your goal is to become a world-renowned surgeon, it's important to be realistic about your abilities. You're not going to achieve that goal overnight. Start by setting smaller, achievable goals that will help you develop the skills you need. Number 2, get organized. The more organized you are, the better able you'll be to achieve your goals. Create a plan of action and stick to it. This will help you stay focused and on track. And number 3, don't give up. It's important to have persistence and grit if you want to succeed. If you face setbacks, don't give up on your goals. Get back up and try again. Remember, the more able you are, the more likely you are to achieve what you want. So keep getting better and never give up on your dreams. Therefore, if you want to improve your chances of success, it's important to focus on increasing your abilities. Never stop learning. The more you know, the more capable you will be. Make it a point of learning something new every day. Whether it's reading a book, taking a class, or simply observing the world around you, expanding your knowledge will help increase your abilities. Practice makes perfect. The old saying is true. The more you practice, the better you become. If you want to be able to do something well, make sure you put in the time and effort to perfect your skills. Be persistent. Even if you encounter setbacks, never give up on your goals. The ability to persevere in the face of adversity is a valuable skill that will help increase your chances of success. See failure as an opportunity to grow and learn. Everyone makes mistakes. What counts is how you respond to them. When you view failure as a learning experience, you will be able to use them to improve your abilities and increase your chances of getting what you want in life. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to be willing to put in the effort. That being said, here are a summary of what we covered. Number 1, get clear about what you want. The first step is to get clear about what you want and what you want to achieve. What are your goals? What does success look like to you? When you are clear about what you want, it will be easier to take the steps necessary to achieve it. Number 2, believe that it's possible. Once you know what you want, it's important to believe that it's possible for you to achieve it. After all, if you don't believe that your goals is possible, why would you bother trying to achieve it? Number 3, take action. The law of ability won't do the work for you. You still need to take action towards your goals. But when you combine positive thinking with positive action, anything is possible. Number 4, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful businesses or successful, happy relationships. It takes time to achieve big goals, so don't get discouraged if things don't happen overnight. And number 5, don't give up. Finally, remember that even if things seem tough at times, never give up on your dreams. If you stay positive and keep working towards your goals, eventually they will become a reality. This can be done through education, training, and practice. The key is to never stop learning and expanding your skill set. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.